In this video, I will show you how to add style to the caption on CapCut. So if you create caption on CapCut and you want to add style to it, all you have to do, now select all the captions. After you select your caption, go to this text, go to animation, under the animation, go to this captions. So if you come to these captions, here you'll be able to see different style for the caption. So let's start with this one. I will select this one. So as you can see now, here is caption. So now if you play, so now here is, if you want to change it, just select all the caption. After you select all the caption, go to this animation, caption. Under the animation, here you'll be able to see different animation for your caption. So go and select the one you want to use. So after you select the one you want to use, just let me select this one. So I'll play it and see how it works. So that's it, guys. Now if you want to change the font style, let's say you want to change the size of the font, just after you select all the captions, go to this text. Under the text, so here you can select the font style. If you click on this option, it will give you different fonts. So you can go ahead and select the one. So to change the size of the font, you can just go ahead and change the size of the font in this option, increase or decrease, like this. So if you change the case, let's say you want to make it uppercase, you can click on this option. After you select all the text, this one or this one or this one. So if you want to change the color of the text, just click on this color button. So it will give you option to change the color from white to red size. After you finish, now you can go and use the video. If this video helps out, be sure to like, subscribe.